How to use Onepay at Walmart. So here's a step-by-step guide. First, you have to grab your items. You want to walk through Walmart and put everything you need in your cart or basket. You will then open up the Onepay app, make sure your phone is charged and you have the app already installed. Log in and unlock. You will need to enter your PIN, Face ID or fingerprint to get inside the app. You want to pick your card or bank. Choose which account you want the money to come from, credit, debit card, or linked bank. And the fifth step will be heading to checkout. You can go to self-checkout kiosks or a cashier. You will look at the screen. Walmart will show you a special QR code or barcode for digital payment. You want to scan with Onepay. You will point your phone's camera at the code and let the app read it. Check the total, make sure the amount matches what you see on the Walmart screen. Confirm and pay. You want to tap confirm in the app and the payment goes through instantly. Get your receipt. You get a paper one from Walmart and a digital one inside Onepay, and it is going to be all done. You want to grab your bags and you will be good to go. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.